Hello and welcome everybody, it's Karen. Thanks for stopping by. I've got 3 cards for you today and I've used the Old Buzzards stamp set for all of these. So as you can see, I've stamped and colored in 2 of each of everything there. Now my first card is a 5.5-inch square card and I've marked off the center point vertically and horizontally. Just because I'm going to use these rectangle dies that's the Mix and Match Scallops die set. I wanted to create a bit of a grid for all of those images to go in. So you can see I've sort of, I just eyeballed, but I was trying to center those on one half of the card, and then I'm trying to keep them together there with that low-tack tape so that I can just take the dies off and rotate them around to go on the other side now. So I tried to center that and ran that one through my die cutting machine. Now I've taken one of the papers from the Mermaid designer paper pack, and I've trimmed that one down. I just thought that went fairly well. I like that with the buzzards. So I trimmed it down and I've attached that to a 5.5-inch square card base now. I stamped and clear heat embossed that sentiment thinking it would just go nicely there, but it sort of looked lost to me. So I stamped it again and clear heat embossed back into that rectangle that came out of there, and I popped that up on foam tape in the end. Now, this is my big tip of the day. I keep a nail file in my craft room because all those little hairs that come off from when you cut something and it's rough or the die doesn't cut it smoothly, that nail file is perfect. So here you can see I'm just fussy cutting out a speech bubble for this sentiment, and I wanted to make that a thought bubble. So here I'm just punching out 3 little circles with my paper punch, and I've got my buzzards now in place, and I'm just putting some glue under their, well, I guess those are claws. They look like fingers to me, but they're claws, just to keep them in place on the front frame, and obviously trimming off those candles, and then I can glue everything down in place. I didn't pop this up at all, it's flat. I just didn't feel like adding that extra dimension. So there you can see I just put 3 little dots of glue down and I'm adding those thought bubbles back in. So that's the final card, which I thought was kind of fun. Okay, this is card number 2. Now that's an A2 size card front that I did some ink blending on, and I just misted with water, and I've die cut a circle out of that. Now I popped it on my card base and I thought, well, that white looked quite stark. So I ended up getting a piece of vellum, and I'm using a Catherine Pooler ink. I think that was Cummerbund, and I've just inked that up a little bit, and it's a bit of a softer bluey green color now, which I thought went a little bit better. So I stamped and clear heat embossed my sentiment onto that, and then I've marked off on the front where that circle is so I know where to put my double-sided tape so that I didn't have any adhesive showing through the vellum. So once that was in place, I've added a white frame to the outside circle. And here I am just positioning my little buzzard and gluing his claws in place so that I can turn this over and put some glue on the back and have him stay in the right spot. So I've just glued that down. Again, it's flat. You could make that a shaker card though, for sure. And then I've added in the happy, well, bird day. That bird part came from that same stamp set. And that's the Cutie ABCs and the Fun with Words die set. All right, this is my 3rd card. And I have to tell you, my husband doesn't like this card at all. So you guys leave me a comment what you think. But I've used the Old Fart Grandma's card fronts for this. And I've just cut this little grandma out from the background, because I thought she kind of went well. She sort of got those purpley pink tones. So I've got an A2 card front, and I'm using some Sangria Catherine Pooler ink, and I've just done the outside of this, obviously. Now I've got the Mix and Match marquee die set, and I've cut that frame out of purple and kept the white inside. I've used the Slimline Fence die to cut this sentiment. Now I stamped that first and clear heat embossed, and then I ran that through the die cutting machine. I did try it the other way around where I stamped it on after and the words just would not all fill in. So I think if you do that, stamp first and then die cut. But you can see I've just put the frame on and the inset piece, and now this is how I've made all my, I sort of have done this video backwards because I think I originally started showing this card first. But with all of these buzzards, I like them to hang on to the frame. So what I do is I just cut up where they're, I don't know, I want to call that a finger, but I guess it's a claw. And then he can really attach on to whatever frame he's holding on to. So that's what I've done with all of the buzzards in these 3 cards today. So then once I get those front paw or claws attached, then I can glue him down. And then I've popped the grandma in. And I haven't added dimension to any of these other than that frame. It is raised up a little bit. I think I did 2 layers behind that mix and match marquee frame. Now this is what my husband objected to. He didn't like the sentiment. So here I'm just cutting it out. I'm trying to make it a speech bubble. So I'm adding in that, I don't know, a comma, whatever that tail thing is. I'm cutting that right there and just sort of trimming it down a bit, trying to see which way to go. And then I raised that up a little bit behind it on the outside of that frame just because the frame was popped up. So I just added some scraps of card. So that's what my husband didn't like, was that sentiment. And I said, well, any woman who's had children would understand that. So here I'm using these flowers. I had made another video with the Hello Bear stamp set, and these were left over, and I didn't want them to go to waste, so I'm just popping them in behind. And so that's this card. So there you have the 3 different cards, all with those buzzards, which I kind of thought were quite fun. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you'll come back for the next video. Bye.